Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a contact on iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me close the settings app. So in order to delete a contact on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your phone app first. So here is my phone app. Let me tap on this to open it. And you can see guys, it's opened. And after that, you have to tap on this contacts, this tab in this bottom menu. So let me tap on this contacts. And I have this contacts, this screen opened. And after that, guys, you have to find the contact that you want to delete. So let me find the contact that I want to delete. Okay. So I want to delete this contact. So after finding the contact, we need to open it. So just tap on it. So let me tap on this contact. And you can see I have this contact opened. And after that, you have to tap on this edit, this link at the top right. So let me tap on this edit link. And I have this screen opened. And after that, guys, you have to scroll down at the very bottom of this screen. So let me go to that. And you can see guys at the bottom here we have this link delete contact. So you have to tap on this delete contact. Let me tap on this. And I have this screen delete contact. Okay, this button we have, and also we have this cancel this button. So you have to tap on this delete contact, this button. So let me tap on this. And you can see guys, it's now deleted. I can't find the contact over here. So that's it. In this way, you can easily delete a contact on iPhone running iOS version 14.3. And also you can close this, a phone app if you want. So let me close that. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.